coat and thing. And you sleep and wake up a bit later and when I come out the whole place white big man.
Yeah.
No road, no sidewalk, no nothing.
Talk to me about Jamaica, because I see Buju show go on, I mean, see you going on Buju show. You want to go on, you get a wife for that, you know.
Boy, you know.
You get a
So,
coffin for that.
when I was planning the vacation originally, it wasn't in my brain. Because I left the day actually before the Bantan tree, you understand?
Yeah.
Big up the Gargamel because you don't know, like, a history create.
Proper history.
Because I know you some money that there show there.
Live.
Me no like stage show, but Jesus Christ, mother go down the man. Nothing when reggae boys a play stage, them never so full, you know.
That's true, man.
Real
Not even when Bob Marley didn't I. You remember when them have the big free concert for Labor Right and PNP? He never full, so yeah, he stream create, man.
But
Yeah, none.
give thanks to that. Give thanks to the blessing. And, you know, everything good for the journey. I'm glad to see you reach and forward back. On the block, I'm like you come back with a whole bag of something new, something. Right? And people, it's approximately 5 minutes past 10 this evening. And we have 2 special guests this evening. We've got a seasoned pro, a professional, I would like to say a reggae artist. He's been around for a while. He's been well established. He's been doing some good songs. If you had a chance to listen to some of his previous music, it's mostly inspirational. And we like the part that he's been treading. And he's here this evening with us to give us a little blessing to our show. So people with no further delay, we'd like to introduce to our show, Ras Chamer is here this evening. Good evening to you, sir.
Honors and manners.
What if I shot was someone like that?
Yeah, yo. Don't know.
We give thanks for the journey. And
Yeah, man, give thanks to life. Bless up and life. It's good to be here. You see me, my brother.
Yeah, man, it's good to have you inside the studio as well. Cause
Sure.
we see you doing works and, you know,
Yes, I.
I have to big up my brother Ras Barkley.
Sure.
Because he reach out and say, up and live, you know, say, that man here the man.
Sure.
And I said, Ras, you know, say, a long time we make the connection and we just never happen.
For real, man. Nothing for the right time, though. Dog.
But just see it, a journey,
Sure,
and I love seeing you.
Yes, I. For real.
Yes. So to everybody that's watching now and people don't really know anything about Ras Chamer, could you just introduce yourself and tell me what kind of artist you are, please?
Alright. Yeah, Ras Chamer is a upful Rasta man. Not dreaded to the thing, you see me?
Yeah.
Real Rasta man with a purpose. And we born a jam rock. And the music has been, we highlight the talent growing up, and the music make we go Switzerland, we live in Switzerland, and music make we go even Africa, and
Yeah.
now we base here, married, and even music make me meet my wife when I was doing a festival in Rotterdam.
Okay.
And
So you're married then, that's good.
yes, I. So right now, since we've been in England, we do 2 albums, Feeling Great,
Yeah.
and now we have a new album, Hard Knocks, which I just come from Ethiopia for the first time. We do a video there.
How was it being onto the motherland?
Boy, my brother, in a real life, I have to pinch myself sometimes and say, yo, Chama, Zion are there, you know. Ethiopia, 11,000 miles above sea level, my general.
Wow.
So, no sea in there in Ethiopia.
I can imagine because it's very high up.
Yeah, because in the Bible, Genesis, 4 rivers run through the Garden of Zion.
Yeah.
Gion and Euphrates, and these rivers there in Ethiopia. So to the high altitude, you have lakes and river.
Yeah, but you would not have sea
And you
because
won't have sea. Yeah, down in Kenya now and Tanzania, you have sea. Them place part of Africa, eastern part of Africa. So touching the motherland, treading Shashamane, Dennis Brown sing, tread upon the King's Highway.
yeah, I guess
Promised Land.
I guess those music was reminiscing into your brain when you're going, and especially when you touch down, you like say, yeah,
Yes,
this is where the artist was singing about.
Yes, I can. My born in September still, and me and my queen, 2 hours born in September. It's like on the Sabbath, both of us at the same time, just say, you know, say Ethiopia. So we just say, we are going to check Papa and Mama on the coronation,
Yeah.
which is in November, from 1930, November the 2nd, where Haile Selassie seat up with his queen to show for the perfect balance of man and woman upon the throne of King David. So
Yeah.
we go celebrating the 88th years anniversary, and when we forward, we get interview on the main TV station.
Okay.
We perform down there, we do a video, so it's great. After that we go Jamaica, just forward from here to go premiere the video down there.
It seems like you've been traveling though. You've been making your rounds, so to speak.
Yes, like when me there in Europe, Switzerland, it was more for artists to get paid for show, paid for voice,
Yeah.
played. But when you fall in England, you find out so we have to build the momentum there.
You have to-
Because things look a bit slow.
It's slower in England, yeah.
You see me?
Different. It's
So
so much different.
yeah, when you work the maths, we see say alright, traveling can enhance the thing.
It does.
It does. You see me? Cause my first album, they go Jamaica go do a video, which on Hype TV come 5 week #1 at Union feeling great.
But yeah, talking to you now, I'm sorry to cut you. This has been puzzling into my brain for a while. It seems as if Rastafarian. I was touch on Rastafarianism because I see that you're very strong into your Rastafarianism.
True.
And I realize that most Rastafaris that I know,
Sorry.
they're very knowledgeable into their should I say it's a religion?
No, my brother.
What would you call it? Is it a movement or I don't really want to class it the wrong way?
It is a movement, but it's more a tradition. It's a faith.
It's a
and
faith.
It's a choice.
Okay.
So wouldn't you call it like a religion? Because like me as a man, like me don't know a lot about Rastafarian, but me do listen to Muta Baruch every time I get a chance.
True.
And like he's a Pan-Africanist, and me kind of realize that it's like a religion, but it's more about like liberty and being natural and being you.
My father, well, my slogan, you know, my brother, it's a Chamer, shaka marijuana, my fire turn up a lava. See?
Yeah.
And my father was a pastor, you see me?
You
So
see that
out
now?
of church, when my eye closed, so, and them want to fill me with Holy Ghost.
Yeah.
The spirit of Marcus gave like the breeze blowing on my head and the voice of Haile Selassie. I said, open your eyes. And from I open my eyes, that are where Rome get shook. Because the pastor man, he have to go school to learn
Okay.
theology.
You see that?
Yeah.
You see that way you just do right. That's all.
Yeah.
This is what I was trying to get to. You living into modern days Britain. How do you manage to keep your Rastafarianism seeing self into this bunch of hypocrisy? What's going on, especially with the terrorism and this everybody going against the different religion, especially
Yeah.
the I wouldn't like to say Muslim, but the so-called Islamic, how they getting treated bad in the media. Do you find that people attack your movement as a Rastafarian artist? You find that you're a cancer religion, your movement is being threatened, so to speak?
Not really, you know, prophecy are fulfilled, the truth still. Because what may I say, if there's so many religion and they are dealing with God,
Yeah.
why we can't unite and why a man that put on a bomb for go bomb over there so in the name of God?
Yeah.
This is a lie. This is bigotry. You see me? That's why I'm not go religion. Religion is a set man-made thing where them just frame up and farm up for interest of making money.
That's right.
And then the people led astray because they say they are doing like the pastor. Him bury her in a Jesus name. He married her in a Jesus name. He preached her in a Jesus name. But when you take your tithe and your offering, him not bank it in a Jesus name.
Boy, we could go on along. See, this religion stuff is a very powerful
Or
stuff.
not point nothing.
We're not really-
You
Yeah.
see me? It's just that as a Rasta man, salvation we deal with, my brother. And no money can buy that. So every man have to work out him spiritual communication with the Father. You see me? And it's like
Makes sense.
you go move with your girl. If you don't have your ticket, you're ashamed.
You
You
can't.
turn back.
Yeah.
So your soul and your ticket for go Zion. So along the part of the journey of life, just don't sell your soul, you know?
Yeah. So in terms of your music now, what do you have new materials you have working on this moment? You said you had 2 albums that you did here in the UK.
Yeah.
The latest project is
It's a new tune on my voice, a label in Jamaica, Richie Royal Production. The Deep Sea, she and the pan it with a tune named Braces. Our tune named Papers. My voice are next tune with them, but right now Papers are released.
that what you say your voice is she, you know?
Shayna is also on the
it's on
rhythm.
the
Oh, it's on the rhythm. Okay.
Deep sea the rhythm name.
Okay, Deep Sea
They are
Rhythm.
road there now, so
I think I seen that.
my ears ZJ Liquid I beat it on the because what we pray for go Jamaica and get some people active
Yeah.
a yard
Yeah.
and Jazz make this happen because this virgin now him in the field, so the song them a bang in a dance it a grow on the radio, so we have some singles drop in England here and one day in a Ghana, so we always try to keep active on different project I work, but right now me a promote the new album because I did a video in Jamaica which it's editing now, the title track.
Yeah.
Yeah,
What's the name of the album? Like, you have a name for it yet?
yeah, Hard Knocks.
Hard Knocks.
Yes, I.
And the album is going to be coming out. And do you have a date for it yet?
No, the album releasing on the January.
It's already
from June 18. And
Okay.
And what been happening is that we're promoting it. We make drum. Me even link up DJ Kenny
Yeah.
Yeah.
and him do a mixtape of the album. So right now the album in the streets.
So this, all right. I'm gonna ask you for your point of view on this. Yeah.
Yeah.
You've been around in the business for a while. Do you think being signed as an artist is more beneficial for artists in this modern day music entertainment business,
Yeah.
or is it better for artists to be independent?
Well, my brother, what I observe are a different genre, but here in England, like the Stormzy,
Yeah.
Grinds, gigs, and most of these artists independent,
Yeah.
Yeah.
you know. And in this day and age now, record not to sell, but artists eat them food from stage show and dub plate. So
Yeah.
this social media,
Yeah.
you can make use of it, which we are doing now.
Yes.
And we reach this far. If a big company come and assign me, they have to give it some heavy money because we reach this far independently.
Independently.
Yeah,
Yeah.
So I don't see why
Makes
the
sense.
reason, because as a matter of fact, my last album, VP, them that distributed.
Yeah.
And the grounds what I and I cover, it even more than what them would have covered because there are these big companies where sometimes if them not directly are spend on the artists,
Yeah,
the artists have to get up and do
everything
film
themselves.
groundwork to said way. So the answer to that question, my brother, I reach so far, not sign. So if somebody a come sign me now, them have to bring something really heavy on the table what can benefit what I've been doing so far. Because we invest, do one video,
Yeah.
we do all of these things and reach this far. So I don't see why would I just give it up for a sign. Because it's not really the sign of the whole work, so I go come involve in what you're signing for. And not
So-
for the great show we say, of why is within the signing thing to you, see me?
Yeah.
So do you have a team that you work with, or it's just you and your Empress just doing
Well, through past experience,
yeah.
some manager are damage my brother. Yes, yeah,
That's
some
the reason why I ask
yeah.
it, because
Some
it seems to be the type
producer-
of person where just say, you know, I may do my own thing, me go do this is what me do, and we go get it done.
We have a label, you know, Zion Charm Music, and what we do, we enhance with other known, like my project, it's with Peckins.
Yeah,
And
yeah.
Peckins is known
Yeah.
here in England. Him,
Yeah,
him
yeah.
boss beat him a clean with walk away.
Yeah.
So, we have a little team still. My wife is my management. Why? Because I can trust her. Because
Yes.
in life, if
Yeah.
you can't trust, you
Yeah, yeah,
can't
yeah.
go nowhere. Relationship or business, you see me?
We touched a topic not too long ago about social media. Can you tell us where we can find you, how we can get you on social media?
Alright, yes I. Ras Chamer, one word. At Ras Chamer on Instagram. Facebook, Ras Chamer. I have 2 pages, cause one full, so I have a music band page. Ras Chamer. I have a website, www.rascharmer.com. You know, towards videos, you
Yeah.
just type in Ras Chamer, all the videos will come with the title. You know, we're on Twitter, that not too active, but we work with it. Or email is zioncharm@gmail.com. You know?
Okay. Wicked.
Yes,
Wicked. I know I would like to say all the best in terms of the music, and we definitely see the growth, and especially when you listen to your music, is very inspirational.
Yes, indeed.
And the songs are actually telling a story which depicts what is, as you say, is revelation, you call it,
Sure.
and it's just what is, most of our elders as artists has been singing these songs way back when, and they're telling these stories, and now most of these stories are coming to light.
To light and
If
to
you realize now what's happening into the what's happening on the news and with everything. It's just prophecy.
Yes, sir.
I will give thanks for the teaching, and we wish you all the best with the music, and we definitely going to be looking for big things for you for 2019. But we're here this evening.
And true fashion, you
Yep.
know the open live show. Everybody come here and do a little freestyle, right?
Yeah, man, yeah,
Put them a little bars, yeah?
Yeah, so
Because
we're
we know
gonna.
say it's a conscious artist. We get one of them somehow.
Oh, Jah. Yeah. And you know it's just charm up on life. Tell the world of people. The struggle that we face won't be for long. We're those who go through great tribulation. Rastafari, where all strength come from. Jah will be done, yeah, we shall overcome. The struggle that we face won't be for long. We gon' be free, we won't be dumb. Bundle Willie Lynn syndrome. Bust the poor part string with the Naya Bingy jumps. Then again, there's gonna be a brighter way. Never go astray. Remember fi pray. Oh, cause your earth in a to the meat. Then Babylon come to deceive. Then your the vision we see. Then your mission fi complete. Then tell them say stop competence and out of it pure and clean. Then you're the most high supreme. Then burn the evil regime. Then and the American dream. Then call them go blaspheme. Then you them go bow to the beast. Then modern days freak them. Be strong, you can't be weak. It's so hard find food for eat. Then Jah love we receive hard work and go make we achieve. Then the struggle that we face won't be for long. We're those who go through great tribulation. See me? Oh yeah. And you know it's just Chamer shaka marijuana. Me fire turn up a lava.
Ras Chamer live.
We're up
people.
on live. You watch it now. Love reach out. I tell me nation not bleach out. Tell the youths them not fi freak out. I want the truth to come for speak out. Reach out, love and righteousness we keep now, you see it now. Know what you're doing and be wise, yo. Alright, yo. Oh, cause them now will not harder. See them out harder, burn them out from them go flex like shibada. Them a bring in worldwide slavery with them new world order. Burn them out to the Naya Bingy harder. Them now will not harder. See them out harder. Burn them with the fire and lava. Them a bring in worldwide slavery with them new world order. Burn them out to the Naya. Hear me out. Rasta hold the 1, 2, so who say 1, 3. Burn a groupie, then burn a battery. A papa and mama bring me. Then what else then? Him coulda made it that him want another night with Gary. Them so contrary and mental crazy. When Rasta hold the righteous. We're not play that now. You see me?
That got to be us.
Yeah,
they know.
yeah.
Yo, Ras bad.
Ras
Bad. Lava.
Be fire. I see it.
Lava.
People Ras
Everything.
Chamer.
Yes,
No, but
yes,
like that. Look like the Rasta gonna go the whole night and I swear.
Yeah, man, definitely. But you are next. We don't know the program, and we give thanks to be here. Prosperity in all you're doing. We give thanks to all outlets who support greatness. Because we build champion, we not kill champions. So the whole of the house, the team, Ras Chamer say much love. The spirit of the Almighty, bless.
Ras Chamer, do something before you go. Just call out the email from the little browners behind the scenes, and you don't know. Your new music, you just send it towards us and we'll try and get that support.
Yes, sir.
Yeah,
Definitely.
so let's do it, cause
man.
you look like you do
I
something.
love the vibes. It remind me of yard. So anytime they have them free up, just check in Ras Chamer or do one of them mad thing that your thing turn up to, you know.
True, you know.
Love the heights.
You know, respect Ras Chamer, you don't know.
Love,
All the bless.
One last thing, can you just read out back your social media before you go, please?
Yeah. You can find Ras Chamer at Ras Chamer and Instagram Ras Chamer. That's RASCHARMER. Yeah. And on Facebook, I have 2 pages, Ras Chamer, and I'm a music band, Ras Chamer. And my website, www.rascharmer.com. Zine. And for YouTube, you just type in Ras Chamer and a bag of videos, them are going to come up. Old video, new video. And just feel free to follow away and give thanks to Up on Life where I do great things. Because Jah Rastafari bless. You see me, I just said there. Maximum
respect. Thank you very much for passing through. It's a pleasure. And I wish you all the best for the future as well. Alright, people, that was Ras Chamer live in the building. Remember, the show is sponsored by Shush Prince, Vast Prince UK, and is produced by World Mag Entertainment. Each and every Wednesday we're here live. Dragon have some new thing at Japan. Where are you with, brother? What's good?
I think we're some more music. You know this thing, though.
Every time we don't touch a back me, best I feel.
In a couple of minutes we're gonna be into New Level team gonna be inside the building, alright? Stick and stay for that about 90 seconds. We're going to have them live here inside the studio. What more do you know?
Every time we done touch you beg me. Me start feel us some loving you a sell me. Yeah, you said the man them a plan for shell me. But if you never want your nails done, you woulda tell me. Some boy really know what a friend be. Oh, you fi see your friend arise and you envy. Oh, you fi say you love me as a brother and you see me at the biggest stupidness and you tell me. Treat all of my friends them like royalty. Did it and I question my loyalty. Me stay firm like a almond tree. Dogs them not fool about the loyalty. Me treat all of my never forget the day I want them.
Also, this is the voice of governor.
Some just day of
I pray that song again and the song you're gone, you know. Some of them girls you see, man.
Oh, every time we done touch you beg me. Me start feel us some loving you a sell me. Yeah, you said the man them a plan for shell me. But if you never want your nails done, you woulda tell me. Some boy really never forget the day.
Come on now, some campaign with this one. This one is all about the voice of governor.
Some just day.
Loyalty, you know. You know where it's in go.
Can't get them, you know. Feel.
Let's go.
Oh, every time we done touch you beg me. Me start feel us some loving you a sell me. Yeah, you said the man them a plan for shell me. But if
don't pick up all I real liar do them out there.
tell me.
You know this something go.
You know what a friend be. Oh, you fi see your friend arise and you envy. Oh, you fi say you love me as a brother and you see me at the biggest stupidness and you tell me. Treat all of my friends them like royalty. Did it and I question my loyalty. Me stay firm like a almond tree. Dogs them not fool about them loyalty. Me treat all of my friends them like royalty. Me chillin' no question my loyalty. Me stay firm like a almond tree.